best time to mold and create your brand is before you start your business. This includes performing a trademark search to see if your chosen business name is available for use in registration. Once you've conducted a search that yields a positive outlook, you'll want to file your trademark application. From there, you'll need to actually use your trademark in commerce to acquire rights. Sometimes things don't go so smoothly, though. What if you decide to change the trademark that you want to use? Can you make changes to your trademark? In this video, I'll discuss making amendments to your trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office and what kinds of changes are permissible. Of course, you should carefully consider whether changing your trademark is the right decision for you. Rebranding can be a difficult and costly endeavor. Depending on how drastic the changes are, you may need to conduct a new trademark search altogether. While you're free to change your trademark, doing so will impact any applications or registrations for the trademark that you have with the USPTO. If you have a pending application, you can file to make changes to your trademark during the application process. There are certain points in the process where you'll have the opportunity to do so. Similarly, if you already have a federal registration, you can file to make changes to your trademark as well. However, it is important to understand in advance whether your proposed changes are likely to be accepted by the USPTO. Regardless of when you file to change your trademark, what is called an amendment, your changes cannot represent a material alteration of the mark. The question of what represents a material alteration of a trademark can be tricky. While there is no universal rule, here's some common situations where a change may be acceptable. Adding or removing a space between words, adding or removing punctuation, adding or removing articles like the, adding or removing generic words or phrases. This material alteration standard is used whether the trademark is just for wording, a design mark such as a logo without text, or a design mark that also has wording incorporated. Trademarks consisting of stylized wording, or ones that use a particular style, font, or size, can be changed without a material alteration in many cases. For designs, the question is whether people are likely to view the altered design as the same trademark. If the change is too substantial, then it will likely be rejected by the Trademark Office. The material alteration standard is very subjective. Making changes to your trademark may put your application or registration in jeopardy. Therefore, it's important that you speak with a trademark attorney before you change your trademark or before you file to make such an amendment. The issue of amending trademarks also frequently comes up with applicants that filed their application on an intent to use basis. For these applications, the owner has to show use of the trademark before they can receive a registration. This is done by filing a statement of use. However, if you change your trademark before you make this statement of use filing, it won't match the trademark appearing in your application. If that is the case, you'll need to amend your trademark as part of the statement of use filing. Hopefully, if your trademark has changed, you simply amend the mark in your application when you file the statement of use and the USPTO accepts it. On the other hand, let's say that the amendment is rejected because it represents a material change. You would then need to successfully argue that the amendment is not material in order to overcome such a rejection. If you're not able to do so, your application will go abandoned. While you could file a new application for the updated trademark, this would obviously take more time and money. Moreover, you would lose the benefit of your earlier application filing date. Material changes to your mark may result in you losing the money that you've invested in your trademark application. To new businesses, this is often money that you just can't afford to waste like that. To avoid this situation, you should really consult with an attorney before making any changes to your trademark. If you're considering filing an amendment to make trademark changes to a pending application or existing registration, please feel free to call me at 480-360-3499 or email me at kevin@yourtrademarkattorney.com. I look forward to speaking with you.